Alright, so everyone knows what's beef Wellington, right? No? From Gordon Ramsay, Nick Digiovani, Joshua Weissman, Uncle Roger. But I don't know if he knows that. He only knows how to cook rice. Fuyo. Fuyo. If you don't know what's beef Wellington, this is the perfect video for you. Today I will be showing you my version, and will I pass the test on making it or
will it fail?
Fun part is in the title. Like I said, only in one hand I'm gonna make this beef Wellington, and let's see how it'll turn out. If you stick in the video, you'll learn what's beef Wellington. Also, you'll learn this thing called Duxxelles. You're gonna learn how to make crepes, and you're gonna see the process. Maybe one day you can make up your own and, you know, show it in camera too. So yeah, let's just start. In order to make beef Wellingtons, we will need a bunch of ingredients like, you know, beef tenderloin, right? Puff pastry and more. I started getting this mustard, different types of mushrooms, 3 kinds that I saw in their videos. From this guy, and from this guy.
Blitz.
Next thing I found is thyme and prosciutto. I think I grabbed a different one because I just want to be different, right? I had a hard time finding this pastry, puff pastry, just because the way I see it online it's different compared to this, but hopefully this is the one I'm looking for. So yeah, I grabbed all the stuff that I need, and I had a hard time going back and forth in groceries. Finally, my beef tenderloin, let's go. It's 98 bucks. Fuck. I have most of the ingredients here. So yeah, the first thing I did is the preparation. I started cutting all the ingredients with the Duxxelle and started preparing crepes. I started chopping garlic, onion, then mushroom until it's minced. Then I set it up, and now for the crepes. In order to make this crepes, you need at least 4 things, alright? Starting from flour, then your sugar, some salt, 2 eggs, and yeah, once we get it all, we're gonna whisk the milk with it. So cooking is always preparation first, then cook. Along with that, I'm gonna wrap this and put it in a room temperature, right? It's interesting. Season it. Right, I got my ingredients there. Now I have 3 pans there. I started cooking. What you wanna do is just sweat it out, don't color the thing. Then after that, you add the mushrooms. Right? Yeah, then you cook the mushroom for a while. Mushroom takes time because you wanna cook it really, and you wanna make it look like a paste. Then on halfway, I started adding some thyme and red wine. Then I just started cooking it. Alright, so this really smells nice. For cooking the crepe is really simple. You need a pan that at least non-stick. Then you need a spray. Then cook it like a pancake. Just don't make it too thick. Alright, so start our crepes. Look at this. And so everything's going great so far. My Duxxelle and my crepes now. Just ready to sear the Wellington. Look at that. Look at that. Bottom. Perfect. First step is putting a mustard in the beef. How am I gonna do this? Oh! It didn't work. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. And so now this is where we're gonna build it. So I kind of failed now. Alright, I kind of used my 2 hands because it's just impossible to wrap. It's not even perfectly wrapped, but hey, at least there's a progress here. Refrigerate it for 15 minutes and we're gonna get out our pastry. Alright, so here you go, puff pastry. So I started dealing with the puff pastry. The first thing I did is trying to copy those I've seen in YouTube, right? Sadly, I don't have the cutter that they have, so I thought of just like using a knife, and it's funny because I thought it would work, but when I baked it, it didn't. Nice try, by the way. Nice try for myself.
Can I get a drum roll, please?
Holy crap, what the fuck? Look at this. So this is the moment I've been waiting for. Alright, we will see the moment of truth if I'm gonna pass the test or no. Yes! Here you go. Fuck. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Freaking nice. I feel like the money I spent is not a waste. So yeah, that's a feeling. From my experience, it's really hard to combine it together. I think you just need more time. Right now it's 12. I don't have much. It's fun experiencing this. Even if I cook it raw, at least I didn't cook it like well done, alright? So yeah, I hope you like this video and I hope you subscribe and yeah, do it too. Of course, you can do it in 2 hands if you want. But yeah, that's everything and I'm just really happy. Anyways, my name is Jet and yeah, I did it. Bam!